Well, receiving emergency care before you get to a hospital, especially at the paramedic level, could mean the difference between life and death. Ellsworth's Fire Department has recently gained authorization by the state to provide those high-level services.
News Center Maine's Brianna Bush spoke with the department about what paramedic-level EMS means for the communities they're serving.
One of our members had a family member pass away within a mile of the station.
When the patient called for help,
They didn't have an ambulance available. They were tied up on other calls.
sparking the push by the Ellsworth Fire Department to improve citywide first response services.
There's no worse feeling in our line of work where you could or should be able to do something, but you can't due to licensing or equipment availability.
Now, Ellsworth Fire is certified to provide EMS at the paramedic level, the highest level of care someone can receive before getting to a hospital.
It is probably the best feeling knowing that we can provide the highest level of care.
Up until now, the Ellsworth Fire Department couldn't provide advanced life-saving interventions like administering medications, starting IV lines, and advanced airway techniques. But this new authorization changes that.
Receiving the highest level of care as possible in the quickest amount of time, it can be a life-saving difference.
This means when a paramedic is available, they can provide life-saving care for patients experiencing cardiac arrests or seizures before being transferred to the hospital.
And that paramedic can get in there and start doing medications and stuff the same as we would do in an emergency room. They can start doing all that same level of care right there in the residence and hopefully have a positive outcome.
Fire Chief Scott Gillerow is one of 4 paramedics currently able to provide this level of care to the community.
We had people here that just couldn't do what we needed to do, and now we can.
It's very rewarding. We worked hard to get here, and hopefully it continues to grow.
So those within the fire department can help to fill the void in pre-hospital care. In Ellsworth, Brianna Bush, News Center, Maine.
Now, while the Ellsworth Fire Department is now equipped to provide those services, they will continue working with Northern Light Health Medical Transport. That's the primary provider for patients who do require an ambulance.